Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change battery in Ford Fiesta key fob full guide. Pry open the fob seam gently with a flathead screwdriver, separating the two halves without forcing them. Remove the old CR2032 battery using a plastic pick or fingertip, noting its orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up, press halves back together until they click, and test the buttons and remote lock function. Start by finding the seam and gently inserting a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the notch. Twist slowly to widen the gap while supporting the opposite side with your other hand to prevent flexing. Once separated, lift the cover carefully to expose the battery and internal components, watching for small springs or clips that can spring free. Keep parts organized and proceed to battery removal when the fob is open and stable. If this video is helping you, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car guides. Quick recommendation: I love this personal finance pick, the book The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs oddly well with saving money on DIY car fixes. Check the description for the link and other deals to learn more. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. With the fob open, note the positive and negative sides of the existing CR2032 battery and its orientation. Use a plastic pick or fingertip to lift the old battery from its holder, avoiding contact with circuit components. Insert the new CR2032 with the same orientation, making sure it sits flat and makes contact with the terminals. Reassemble the fob halves, ensuring clips align. Then test the remote functions and door locking to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.